All right, Carly, how about a fun outdoor adventure game when the weather breaks and we have some nice conditions outside? Geocaching is celebrating its 25th anniversary this year.
And Chris Ronan from Geocaching.com is joining us with some of the fun. Good morning, Chris. Glad to have you in.
Thank you for having me.
So kind of explain for those who may not know or have never tried this before, what is geocaching?
Yeah, so geocaching is basically a high-tech game of hide and seek where somebody hides a container somewhere in the real world. That's called a geocache. And they capture the location information and go to our website, geocaching.com, create a page for that geocache, and then other people use the geocaching app or a GPS device to go and try to find what other people have hidden.
Wow.
Interesting. What kind of treasures do people discover?
It runs the gamut. I have found so many geocaches, and usually little toys and trinkets are kind of the most popular thing. Like my wife collects Happy Meal toys. Those are great for geocaches. So you're not going to, we try to stay away from saying treasure hunt because we don't want people to get the idea that there's going to be big cash prizes out there.
Right?
It's mostly little small things and great things for kids to trade and stuff like that.
Cool.
Tell us how hard it is to find some of these things because, I mean, for example, you have here, this almost looks like a real tree.
Yeah, so some of the containers I brought, it's kind of in the level of deviousness from easiest, like something like this, which is kind of a traditional geocache. You see this along a trail, you probably won't have too much trouble. But then when you get up to something like this, again, you're along a trail, along the woods or something, and you have to look for this among a bunch of logs or whatever, and then you open it up and there would be the geocache inside there. So this would be one of the more challenging ones to find, but that's the great thing about geocaching is it really runs the gamut from ones like this that are quite easy, and then others, if you want to challenge yourself, you can do that too.
It's fun.
Can anyone create a geocache?
You can. There are guidelines to follow, and we always recommend that people find a number of geocaches before they try to hide themselves, but that's what the game is. It is not our company provides the website and the tools, but it's the public that goes out and hides these geocaches. There's currently about 3.4 million in the world, and every one of them has been hidden by somebody in the geocaching community.
Wow.
And now, if you want to get started, would you need like some of the tools you have up front here, for example, or could you have anything to start?
All you need to get started just to go finding geocaches is to download the geocaching app and create a free account, and off you go. If you want to create a geocache, again, it's kind of just only limited to your imagination. There are ones that are pre-made like these, but certainly I've found many that were completely homemade by somebody. Really, you want to make sure they're watertight, they're going to be impervious to the elements, and that they're well labeled and all that sort of thing.
Yeah. Take us on the hunt, if you will. Tell us what it's like. I've got my device with me. I'm looking for a geocache. What kind of apps, what kind of technology am I using? Probably your app, right? And your website. What does that look like?
It's really easy. You, again, download the geocaching app, and when you create your account and you open up the app, it's literally going to just show you, you'll see dots everywhere around you. Now, in a place like Kansas City, there are around 2,500 geocaches within 30 miles of downtown Kansas City. So chances are, you open up the app where you are, it's gonna, you enable your location, it'll show you where you are, and then you tap on one and off you go. So chances are there's gonna be something very close to where you are living.
So I was envisioning something like a park or trails or
it could be anywhere though, right?
Like a walking park. I mean, I would think those would be natural places, but it can be really anywhere in the city. It could be.
It can truly be anywhere. Now, as you said, I mean, parks, trails, things like that are really great places for it. A great chance to get away from the hustle and bustle. But just this week, I found geocaches that took me to close to the house where Satchel Paige spent his final years. Another one close to the house where Ginger Rogers was born in Independence. So things that are definitely more of an urban environment.
Nice.
Very cool.
Really cool. So where can people find you, Chris, and to learn more about geocaching?
Geocaching.com is the website. And then if you're looking to download the app, just put in geocaching and the official app will be the first one that comes up.
Awesome. This was really cool.
And you're off and running, right? There you go. Well, great to see you. And
good to see you guys.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for having me.
Good luck on your search.
Thank you.
Okay.